Mga chicken oyster sauce, mga 2 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoon. Spoon of sugar. And then, dinurog na garlic, onion. Yeah. Then mix, combine all ingredients. Kalamansi, mga 5 perasong kalamansi. Para mag-aroma yung ating stick. Maging mabango siya, guys. Pag nilagyan natin ng kalamansi, and then ibabad natin. Kung may time kayo, ibabad nyo ng overnight bago nyo lutuin. And then, or 1 hour before nyo i-cook to debone the chicken thigh. Para mas masarap, malasa kasi kapag yung chicken na thigh ang ginamit or legs ba, malasa siya. Seasonings, then mix o i-marinate lang natin minutes or hour. May ng paminta, mga 1 teaspoon, then mix lang natin, then ready to fry na. Ating oil lang natin yung ating onion. And hindi natin lulutuin ito, saglit lang sa atin para maging aroma din yung ating pag-fry natin. Pagkatapos natin i-sauté yung onion, dito na rin natin i-fry yung chicken. Set aside lang natin ito. Tapos itong chicken na to, i-fry natin. Balik ka rin lang natin. Masarap to, guys, kasi binibone ko siya, binenlit ko. Chicken thigh. Set aside muna natin to. Lang natin yan. So, set aside lang natin to sa gilid. So, set aside muna natin to. Natin ilagay yung bawang. Ayan, at saka sibuyas. So, sauté natin kung saan natin pinito yung para malasa siya, guys. Then na natin isusauté yan. Then, ilalagay na natin yung chicken na trinay natin kanina. Ilagay lang natin yung pinaka-sauce niya sa pinaganuhan natin kanina ng chicken. Ano natin yung pinagmarinate natin yung chicken para mas malasa. Maga tayo ng paminta, ng counting seasoning, konting fish sauce. Ito lang natin siya ng 5 minutes. Ito rin lang natin itong chicken para yung kabilang side naman ang tamaan ng sauce. 5 minutes to cook the chicken. Then already done. It will smell good. So yummy. Put onion in the top. Ayan, sama onion. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng chili red. Wow, it's already done. So, set aside lang natin. Tignan natin yung toppings niya. Yung toppings niya na chili. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng onion in the top. Then, ready to serve na yung chicken stick, guys. This is very easy to make and yummy. Then, ipot kanyang mantika niya, pinaka-oil niya. Good. It's a chicken stick thigh boneless. I want to make sure, guys, it's very, very good. Wow. The tender, so smooth. Ayan. So malambot. The meat, the chicken is so tender. And then, yummy. Magugustuhan talaga, guys, ng mga kids. You have kids, so good. Yummy. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket and my TikTok shop. Bye, guys. Thank you.